Hey guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial going over how to close out or delete your Cash App account. So to do this, we're going to launch Cash App. And before you can close out your account, you need to make sure that you have no cash balance, no Bitcoin, no stocks, anything like that. So to do this, we're going to go to the bottom left-hand corner area and click on this little icon right here. And again, you want to make sure that you have no cash balance so you can withdraw this. If you have Bitcoin, you either need to send that to a different wallet or you can sell it and then it will go to your cash balance and you can withdraw it from there. And if you have any money in stocks, you need to sell out of those. So you're looking to get your Bitcoin and stocks both down to zero. And then that money should go over to your cash balance where you can withdraw it to your bank account. And you're looking for this number to be zero as well. Heading back to the homepage of Cash App, we can click on our little profile icon here in the upper right-hand corner. Then from here, what you want to do is scroll down until you find where it says support and click on that. In support, you want to click on your account and settings. And then from this page, you should scroll down and be able to find an area where it says close your Cash App account. So we're going to click on that. And again, like I was saying, to close out your account, you first need to make sure that you don't have any cash, Bitcoin, or stocks holding and resolve any outstanding balances. Then you can move on and go through with closing out your Cash App account. So I hope this quick tutorial is helpful going over how you can go about closing out and deleting your Cash App account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.